Hello friends, and welcome back to my allotment plot in the northeast of England. Today is summer solstice. I thought let's not just do the allotment because we're only gonna spend here a couple of hours in the morning, but let's spend the whole day together. So because we are now at the maximum day length, the growing speed of everything just really picked up, and I've been barely managing to keep up on planting my things out. In fact, I still got a lot of seedlings behind me which I haven't managed to plant out just yet. But this week I finally finished planting up all of my empty spaces that were ready to plant in. But as I did that, I also harvested garlic from my other beds, which means I now have more empty space to fill again. Today we're just going to focus on filling up the empty space that the garlic has left. So I've got some kohlrabi seedlings that need to go in. But first of all, it seems to be a very nice day, which means it's going to be a very hot day. So as it's still the morning, I'm going to give everything a proper soak, and then we can start working on the planting. So we also managed to harvest a few things today. I've got some baby broad beans, which I'm going to put into lunch today, along with some edible flowers and some salads, of course, and some cucumber too today. But now let's go home. I am going to leave the polytunnel open today because it's a very hot day, and I feel like next few days are going to be very hot too, so it's gonna benefit from having some breeze coming through. I'm doing my afternoon errand, which seems like a nice trip. It actually is, but we forgotten a picnic blanket at our local National Trust site a few weeks ago, and we knew they had it because we called it, but it's time to collect it because then we're not going to keep it for much longer. So I had to stop by, but it's a good thing that I did. So I was having some tea in a cafe and reading my book earlier. I was hoping to have a scone, but they've run out, unfortunately. Now I'm just heading for a little walk, and then I'm thinking I might even go for a run today. I missed the old garden, they already closed it, which is a shame. I wanted to see what vegetables they were growing, but yeah, they're closing in 15 minutes, so I'm not surprised they closed it. Ignore me, I managed to sneak in because the side door was open. So I am in the walled garden now, but I really need to leave because they're closing. And since it's summer solstice, I'm going to go for a run at one of my favorite country walks. We did the run, yay! Although I ran much slower than I usually do because it was a lot hillier than the running I'm used to. But we did it, and I ended up walking down to the river in the end as well. This is my favorite spot. One of my favorite spots. I have so many favorite spots, but they're all in the same kind of area. I tend to come here a lot in June, actually, I'm noticing. It's funny, I'm a cyclical creature. I just run in annual cycles. But now it's time to go home. So that run really did it for me. I'm absolutely exhausted. I've had my second shower of the day. I've had my dinner. I'm now sitting in front of the TV, drinking my tea, watching a nice period drama TV show. But I'm falling asleep. I thought I would last till the sunset today, but I'm actually really exhausted. So I think I'm going to go to bed early, call it a night, because tomorrow is Monday and we have work to do. But thank you so much guys for joining me on my summer solstice day, and I'll see you in my next allotment video. Bye!